No laying down on the job. Focus. Focus. timing.
I've been around a while.
Well, everybody, there it is. She's in the trailer, ready for her maiden voyage back home. So I gonna get this thing all secured down, and I'll probably put that on a little bit of a time lapse and let you guys just kind of hang out with me while I go through all that. And tomorrow, after I get out of work at noontime, I'm gonna swing back here, hook up to the trailer, and make a beeline for AJ's. Everybody, well, as I hear the wind careening across the valley here, I'm sure it'll be here to knock you guys flat on your backside again before we know it. And here it comes. So yep, this is the beginning of the end of our time here with the brute force semi-pro. It's been awesome. It's been a whole lot of fun. Really great opportunity that AJ gave me to well, to tease me, I think, is what he was doing. He did a darn good job of it. So anyway, before the wind gets too excited here and knocks over the camera, I'm sure you guys can probably only hear half of what I'm saying, but I'm gonna call it good for right now, and maybe I'll visit back to the video for the ride on up, and you know, maybe AJ will, you know, want to talk or something if he has time. I know he's always really busy, so that's entirely possible. But anywho, I'll see you guys shortly, and have a good evening. Hey everybody, just wanted to duck in here real quick and talk a little bit about this piece of equipment here that AJ has up in his wood yard. This piece of equipment that he deems Logzilla is no joke. That thing turns out some firewood in a real hurry. And the video and videos that even he has made really doesn't do it justice as far as how large of a setup he has. When you actually stand next to this piece of equipment, it's almost intimidating. You know, you look at how big it is, just as the processor itself with the attached conveyor, and then you add in the disc cleaner, and then the additional conveyor to dole out the firewood with that. It's a setup that's got the wheels that flip 90 degrees, so you can wheel that thing in a radius, I guess, and you can go from tote to tote or bag to bag, whichever setup you use. But as I'm panning around this thing, it just it dwarfs you. It really is a big machine. I know that there are other machines out there that are much bigger overall in size, but it's one of those things that's impressive when you actually get to stand next to it. Like this log deck, for instance, it's up to my shoulder, the deck height, so it's pretty big. So here's AJ. He's manning the controls, and when I showed up today, I kind of half expected to see you know, an A camera and a B camera set up somewhere, and to my surprise, there wasn't anything like that going on. It was just AJ and his kids working their tails off, processing firewood, just like the rest of us. And it was refreshing to see, you know, AJ here just doing his thing, processing firewood, and you know, making his life go around. And you know, not everything is you know, not everything has to do with cameras and YouTube and all that stuff. He's literally here with his family, and they're genuinely working and doing this stuff. It's not all for show. And, it's cool. It's definitely cool. And this disc cleaner, the way they've got this chain and sprocket set up, that's pretty awesome. I know there's a special terminology for that, but I can't remember what it was.